Alright guys, two wheelbeasts here. We're gonna do a little quad lock install.
Essentials.
You need it for your maps. So I got the Pro, and it's pretty simple. It's really simple. So I actually kind of started already. You basically put the stem mount in here, and then you tighten this bolt down, and it will expand. It'll expand out there. This is for the GSXR 1000. Other bikes might be a little bit different, but it's usually the same. So that there, tighten that down, and it's all about just kind of adjusting it at that point. You want to put the vibration dampener first before you put this piece down right here. And then, yeah, so you want to tighten down the vibration dampener. This will save your phone from your camera. Will get jacked up if you don't have that. So run that always, no matter what. And I'll get back to you when I get done with the install. All right, guys. So we got the vibration dampener on. I'm leaving this loose because we got to adjust everything afterwards and make sure it's all how I want it to be. But now you want to put this piece on right here. So we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna try it this way first. I really don't know which way it's gonna work. Line, make sure it's on good, because there's like little lines down in between. You can see it right there. There's lines. So little teeth. You want it to sit nice and properly. You have to be careful with this. Out of experience from one of my buddies, he actually lost his phone because it vibrated off. So I would always definitely be careful and tighten it down always, especially before every ride.
If you're gonna run a quad lock,
yeah,
make sure you get the vibration dampener.
Yeah, that, and make sure you tighten these. Make sure these are always tightened. Just like maintenance, make sure every bolt's tightened down and everything before every ride. I mean, that's what you should do. Be careful. So just like this, if you don't want to lose your $1,000 phone, tighten this down. Tighten it pretty good. It should be good. And then that's it. And I'm gonna test it out, put my phone on it, and make sure I get it to where I want it, just like any other motorcycle. But the GSXR 1000, I'll show you how I did it in a minute. All right, guys. So we got it installed. It takes a little bit of finagling a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I have it installed. It's pretty straightforward. You just gotta take your time and do it how you like it. And this is how I want it, and I'm pretty sure this is how everybody would like it. But I'm gonna show you with my phone on it. So here, that's how it looks. I mean, there's very good clearance. Like, it's not gonna hit anywhere. Yeah. Even like vibration, I don't even know yet. I'll see when I ride. And then you can even do it this way to make it even better for the clearance. If I can get it on. This is how it feels every time. Hello. Alright, there you go. So you see, like, if you do it like that for maps and stuff like that, it's great. It's definitely not gonna touch when it's sideways. And honestly, I would probably run it like that the whole time. So that's it.
Easy install.
Pretty easy install. I didn't really show like step by step, but you guys can pretty much figure it out. They already sent it in the box how it should be. It's this first, vibration dampener, and then this, and it's just how you want it to be adjusted. And I can't tell you how you should do it. You should do it how you want to do it. And that's about it, guys. So if you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.